All right, people, I'm Coach Allie, and today we are leveling up. We're working on arguably the queen of upper body exercises. It's a classic. Let's go ahead and talk about how to get set up. So to start this movement, all you need is the floor and your body. We're going to start in a high plank, meaning our arms are directly out in front of us, about shoulder width apart. You're going to engage your core like somebody's about to poke you, and you're going to keep your body in a straight line. That includes your head, your neck, your back, your hips, and your legs. You're going to start by lowering your chest to the floor. In a perfect world, your chest would top the floor. You're going to keep your elbows pretty close to your body, which will keep your hands straight up and down, including your thumbs. And you're pushing through your palms. Don't worry about lifting your body. If you do this correctly, your arms will lift it for you. The entire time, your body stays in a straight line. I cannot stress this enough. You're keeping your core engaged the entire time. So that means your body is in a straight line. So make sure you're breathing at the top and exhaling at the bottom. Go at your own pace. You can even regress down to knee push-ups, but all of the same rules apply. Core engage, hips, legs, head in a straight line, lowering your chest to the floor. Who doesn't want to be able to show off by doing a push-up? These things give you confidence and strength. So just practice them little by little. They're actually not the easiest exercise, contrary to what you might think.